Solar energy is booming in 2026, and you don't need to own panels to profit. Clean energy isn't just about saving the planet, it's about creating new income streams. Here are 10 ways you can make money with solar right now. Join a community solar project. You subscribe, save on bills, and sometimes earn credits. Invest in solar farms or REITs. Let your money work while the sun shines. Promote solar gear as an affiliate. Earn commissions from clicks and conversions. Offer solar consulting. Help others go solar and charge for your expertise. Back solar projects through crowdfunding. Get returns as they grow. Lease solar-powered rentals. Lower bills, higher margins. Teach solar online. Courses, webinars, or YouTube education pays. Build solar apps. Track usage, savings, or connect users to providers. Create solar content. Be the voice of clean energy and monetize your reach. Trade solar stocks. Ride the wave of innovation and expansion. You don't need a tech degree. Just curiosity, strategy, and a Wi-Fi connection. Whether you're a creator, investor, educator, or side hustler, there's a solar lane for you. Skip the hype. Watch out for scams and exaggerated ROI claims. Stick to platforms with transparency, reviews, and real-world traction. Solar isn't just clean, it's clever. Pick one path. Start small. Let the sun pay you back. 2026 is the year to monetize the light.